How to buy based Froc token. So this token came under the symbol of Froc. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money was in crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is created 5 days ago and increased by 52,000% in the last 24 hours. This token is trending #1 right now on base section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, as you can see, and open your wallet. For that I will use the Bitget wallet. I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. As you can see, select the base as a network from here first. Now after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. So as you can see, this is our token. Here you will be able to find it, called Froc. Now click on it, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure, if of course, that you have enough USDC on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. So this is it. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Froc token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.